For our project for Engines 21, which is like the design-based intro to engineering class, we made this bike cart that turns into a shopping cart. So it's in shopping cart mode right now, and it has this top insulated box, as well as a middle box for the bulk of your groceries, and then a tray at the bottom for like sleeves of water bottles and cans and everything. We really wanted to have an insulated pocket because a lot of what exists now is not really designed for groceries, and anything cold that you get would probably melt on the way home or not be preserved. So this was one of like the core fundamental things we wanted to incorporate into our design. It's a complicated thing to have it connect to a bike and then transform into a shopping cart. So we went through a ton of iterations on the hitch, as well as like getting the wheels to go work how we wanted them, and just the general collapsibility. So it's just a lot of little things we didn't anticipate being issues that became issues, and we had to go through different prototypes on that. Our boxes were originally all fully rigid, but for collapsibility purposes, we made them out of fabric on the sides too, so it can easily fit in a dorm room. My team member and I were finishing up the hitch and like attaching all of this stuff, and we were able to put it on a bike for the first time and like ride around with it, and it worked. And we had a ton of different people test it who were like not in the class, and we're just around, and they all really liked it and said it felt good behind the bike. The turning was working well, and everything we wanted to work was working. That was a fun moment because it was like all of our hard work on it had paid off.